Go touch some grass. You see that? I am an expert in gymnastics. Greetings and salutations. As you can see, there's been a change of scenery. We're outside, enjoying the sun, you know. Quick message to you guys that stay at home all day, every day. Get outside, enjoy the nature. I've said this before and I'll say it again. Because I know a lot of you guys, you love to, you know, just play video games and just watch Netflix, watch YouTube. Get outside and enjoy the weather. Get some vitamin D. Is that the one that comes from the sun? Yeah, vitamin D. Get some vitamin D. It's good for you. Can you see that? What are those? They're moving. Are they just little... I don't know. If you know, tell me. But yeah, I want to know what those are. This is my kind of weather. You guys know me. I love the water. I love my nature. But yeah, as I was saying before, all of you guys that just sit at home, play video games, watch Netflix, watch YouTube, go touch some grass. Do this. You see that? Go touch some grass. Spend some time with Mother Nature, man. Come on now. As humans, we're supposed to be at one with nature. We're supposed to be in nature all the time. We're not supposed to be stuck at home, you know, living sedentary lives. And one thing that I've realized that I value is peace of mind. Luke Belmar, if you know who Luke Belmar is, successful entrepreneur, all of that kind of stuff, he said, the man with the most wealth is the one who wakes up with the least amount of pressure on his chest. Just take that in for a second. Absolute gem. And it's so true. Like, people told, oh, men have to go through stress, this, build yourself. Absolutely, build yourself. You're going to go through stress to become successful, but all of that is so that you have no stress of worrying about finances, worrying about all of that other kind of stuff. Peace of mind is something that is really, really important, because stress is a killer. Stress is literally the cause of so many illnesses, diseases. It's literally the cause of so many early deaths, and I'm not trying to have an early death, so I need peace of mind. I need less stress. This definitely gives me less stress. So guys, as you can see, this one right here, it requires great amount of balance. You need a serious amount of XP to be able to do this challenge. So I'll show you guys now how to do it.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Easy. Easy. That's how you do it. Oh, hey there. I didn't see you. Hi. So guys, you may or may not already know that I am an expert in gymnastics and calisthenics. So today is going to be like a beginner's 101 as to how you can learn how to do the cup. So I'll demonstrate it and then, yeah. Are you ready? Got to stretch. Make sure you stretch before any gymnastics exercise, guys. Okay. Stupid. You have to prepare yourself before you go into the main thing. You know, you just do your warm-up before the actual thing. So let's try again now. Stupid. Wait. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe.